What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of Total Gym stock wheels, cables, and chrome handles versus Huck Products aftermarket replacements. You know, I've been excited about this one because I'm always looking for ways to get the most out of my Total Gym, whether it's adding swivels to the handles to protect the equipment or exploring different exercise variations. Now, this one is nice because it focuses on durability and longevity. So if you're looking to upgrade your Total Gym, stick around for this one. In this video, I'll be testing each component side by side, discussing their design, durability, and overall value. So let's get started. For price and warranty, the Total Gym wheels are priced at $99.95 and come with a 2-year warranty. In comparison, Huck Products offers their replacement wheels for $68.95 with an impressive 20-year breakage and bearing warranty. Huck's wheels have been in distribution since 2003 with over 500,000 sold, and according to their website, they've never had a wheel break. When it comes to performance, Total Gym's wheels hold up well under normal use. However, when I attached my weight bar and added external weight, I started noticing small black streaks on the glide rails. While the glide board still felt smooth, these marks indicate gradual wheel wear, which I believe will eventually lead to failure. This wear is likely due to the barrel-shaped design, which concentrates the load on a small section of the wheel. Huck Products wheels, on the other hand, are built for extreme durability using a solid engineering plastic, making them stronger and more stable. Unlike Total Gym's wheels, Huck's have a precision stainless steel bushing to protect the bearings from side loading, which helps extend their lifespan. Additionally, their flat design evenly distributes the load across the entire wheel surface, reducing wear and ensuring a smoother, more consistent glide over time. Alright, for the side-by-side comparison, starting with removing the Total Gym wheels, first, I disconnected the pulley system from the glide board and removed the glide board from the frame. I used a crescent wrench to unscrew the nuts, and I recommend taking a picture of the current wheel setup to reference when installing the new wheels, as there are a couple of spacers that are crucial for proper positioning for each wheel. As I mentioned, the Total Gym wheels have a barrel-shaped design, which concentrates the load in a smaller area, potentially leading to increased wear and tear over time. The Huck Products wheels feature a flatter design that evenly distributes the load across a larger surface area. This helps minimize stress on any single point, reducing wear over time and enhancing overall durability. Now, installing the new Huck wheels wasn't too bad, especially on the top side. It was pretty straightforward, and I referenced the picture I took before removing the wheels to double check my work. The challenge came when I started working on the bottom side of the glide board. It's a tight fit due to the spacers and middle steel rod posed on the setup. Eventually, I found that starting with one wheel and tightening it up first made the process easier. This method freed up enough space to install the wheel on the opposite side and fit the spacers. Once the first wheel was in place, I could wedge in the other side and complete the installation without any further issues. Once installed, the Huck wheels provided a noticeably smoother ride, especially during high-intensity workouts, with no signs of wear on the glide rails. Alright, here's what the new Huck wheels sound like in action. Now let's compare the cables. Both the Total Gym and Huck product cables are priced at $44.95. For the Total Gym cables, I couldn't find much technical information online, although they are plastic coated to protect both the cable and the machine and come with a 2-year warranty. The Huck product replacement cables use a 7-19 cable instead of a 7-7, which means they use 19 bundles of wire as opposed to 7 bundles of wire like the competition, making them more resistant to wear and tear. They are coated with tough nylon instead of vinyl, and the eyelets and stops are made of 316 stainless steel, which prevents rusting and enhances strength. Here's a quick comparison of both cables, the black being Huck and the silver being Total Gym's. I've found that the Huck cable is slightly longer and is 8 feet in length. The installation process is fairly straightforward. I started by removing the 3 pulleys, which involves taking out the safety pins from each pulley to disconnect them from the frame. Once the pulleys are removed, you can easily take out the old cable and install the new one. You know, I think it's fair to note that I've had 0 issues with the stock Total Gym cables, but if you're looking for extra durability and longevity, Huck's cables might be a worthwhile upgrade. Next, let's talk about handles with a side-by-side comparison. Total Gym chrome handles are priced at $39.99 on Amazon, and the Huck Products premium stainless steel handles are $55.95. As mentioned, the Huck handles frame is constructed from durable stainless steel, and the Total Gym handles are made from chrome-plated material, which has surprisingly proven to be durable and resistant to wear, even in the humid environment of my garage over time. Also note that stainless steel is stronger and more durable than chrome material, and stainless steel is also more corrosion resistant than chrome. So they both feature a swivel function which helps reduce stress on your wrists and hands. Both swivel with ease and very similar in motion. Total Gym handles feature strong rubber grips and feel more like a softer plastic. Huck Products feature premium vinyl grips and are a bit sticky and really grip to your hands. It's a big difference in texture compared to the Total Gym chrome handles. The Huck handles have a wider grip compared to the Total Gym handles. They are wider by about 3/4 of an inch, as you can see. I like the wider design, feels more secure in my hands when in use. The Huck stainless steel handles are also 3/4 of an inch longer than the Total Gym chrome handles. As mentioned, I've used the Total Gym chrome handles for a couple of years now, and they haven't rusted or worn out, which is a big plus considering the humid environment in my garage. Both options are solid, but if you want maximum durability, Huck stainless steel handles might be the better long-term investment. So which products are worth it? Starting with the wheels. If you're adding extra weight to your Total Gym for high-intensity training, Huck's wheels provide a huge improvement in both durability and smoothness. Its flat design evenly distributes the load across the surface of the wheels. This is a huge upper hand compared to the Total Gym's barrel-shaped wheel design that focuses the load on a smaller area of the wheel. Also, Huck Products offers a 20-year warranty, which is a significant advantage compared to Total Gym's 2-year warranty. This extended coverage ensures long-term reliability and confidence in your investment. For cables, Huck's might be the better option if you want added fatigue resistance, but the stock Total Gym cables have worked fine for me so far. If you're replacing a damaged Total Gym cable, I would highly recommend replacing with the Huck's cables, given its stronger 19-strand design. For handles, Huck's stainless steel version offers a wider grip and enhanced durability, making it ideal for heavy lifting and long-term use. However, the Total Gym chrome handles still perform well, providing a comfortable grip at a more affordable price point. Whether you're focusing on strength training, high-intensity workouts, or general fitness, both options offer reliable performance, with Huck handles catering more to those seeking maximum durability and grip control. I'll link all the products in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more home gym content, and drop a comment letting me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.